Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create sales landing page on Wix. The first thing you want to do is create a Wix account. You can do this for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. So you're going to go onto wix.com and you're going to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you're going to tap on Deal with the Wix editor. Then from there, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you have two options. You can either tap on Start Chat and from there, you'll be able to use the Wix AI. But for this example, I would recommend that you tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat, you're going to simply tap on Skip in the bottom right hand corner. After selecting Skip, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to be redirected to your Wix dashboard. On your Wix dashboard, you can enter the name of your site. So for example, I'm just going to be calling it sales page. So let's do that real quick. Then we'll tap on continue. After tapping on continue from here, you could select your goals. So for example, my goal will be to sell products. You can also choose whether you'll be offering services or so on. Then you're going to tap on continue once more. And from here, you'll see the different apps that you can quickly add to your Wix website. But I would recommend that you only select the online store at the moment. Then you're going to tap on continue, then select continue once more. Once it has loaded up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select catalog. After selecting catalog, this is where you'll be able to add your products. So for example sake, you can go over to the top right hand corner right here and you can select new product. After selecting new product, you can select whether it is a physical product or digital product that you will be offering. So for example, let's say it is a digital product. We'll select digital. Let me refresh this page once more. Once on this page, you're going to tap on upload file. So you'll upload the file that persons will be receiving once they have completed their purchase. So it can either be an image, audio file, document, or zip file. For example, if I were to select image, for example sake, and I'm just going to be selecting a random image. So let me select upload media and upload from computer. So let's say I were to select this image. After selecting the image, you'll tap on Add to Product in the bottom right hand corner. Then from there, you could add in the product name. So I'm just going to call it Test Product. Then you could also add a description. And this is where you would add the cover image. Or you can choose to add video. So you can tap right here where you see Add Images. And I'm just going to be selecting another random image for example sake. So let's say this one. And this is going to be used as the thumbnail. So if you were selling an ebook, for example, this is where you would upload the ebook cover. So all you'll need to do is simply create the ebook cover and this is where you'll be able to upload it. And you'll tap on add to page. Then you're going to scroll down and this is where you would set the price for your item. And you can also scroll down if you like to track inventory, you can toggle that on. Once you have added your product, you're going to tap on Save. Once it has been saved, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner and you're going to select Setup. After selecting Setup, you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right-hand corner. Once you have selected Design Site, I want you to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see the different template options. So you can see the different landing page options right here. And I'm just going to be selecting this landing page for example sake. So we're going to tap on Edit as we want to use a landing page template to make it even easier and quicker to create a high converting landing page so that you'll be able to start getting sales in no time. You can see the landing page is being prepared in the background. Once it is up and running, I'll be showing you how to edit it. Once it loads up, you're going to tap on the X to close the pop-up box. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you can see right here, this is our category page. So this is the page that would display all of the products that we have on our store, or better yet, on our website. What we're going to do, we are going to tap where you see category in the top left hand corner, and you're going to select home. After selecting home, this is how your home page looks at the moment. So we're going to be editing it, as we want this to be a stunning looking landing page. To start editing it, you could edit the text section, you could change the text right here, and you could type in whatever you want. And also you are going to be adding a call to action which will redirect persons to the product page, and then once on the product page you're going to be redirecting them to the checkout page. So for example's sake, you could simply add a call to action right here where we remove this. So let's remove this for example's sake. So you can select it, then tap on delete, and we're going to be adding a call to action right here. So we can go over to the top left hand corner and tap on add elements. After selecting elements, for example, we could hover over button. Then after hovering over button, from here you can see different button types. And let's say for example's sake, we were to just select shop right here. We can tap on shop. After selecting shop, you could drag and place it. Then you're going to tap on the link icon. After selecting the link icon, you'll tap on page. Then after selecting page, you'll tap on choose page. And for example's sake, you could select the product page, so you would redirect them directly to the product page. So this is how you'll be able to do it. And you're going to tap on done. So now once someone comes onto your landing page and tap on shop, they'll be redirected to the product page. Another thing that you also want to do is go over to the left hand menu option and select pages and menu. From here, you're going to tap on the three dots in line with home. After tapping on the three dots, you're going to tap on settings. After selecting settings, you can see the layout option right here. You're going to tap on layout, and you're going to select no header and footer. After selecting no header and footer, as you can see right here, for example, if we were to close this, you can see how it looks now if we were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner. This is how our landing page looks at the moment. So once someone comes onto our landing page and taps on shop, they will be redirected to the product page. Once on the product page, they can tap on add to cart right here. After selecting add to cart, they'll be redirected to the checkout page, so they can tap on view cart and they'll be redirected to the checkout page, and from there they'll be able to complete their purchase, as you can see right here. I'll be showing you how to edit the other pages. So let's tap on back to editor in the top right hand corner. To view all the pages on your website, you can select the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu. So you can see we have the home page if we were to tap on site menu, and we also have the store pages. The store pages has 4 different pages. So for example, you have the product page right here, which would display our product. You also have the category page, which would display all of the products that we are selling or promoting. So you can see them right there. And you also have the cart page. This is the page that persons will be redirected to once they have selected a product. If you would like to customize this page, you can select a page. Then from there, you could tap on quick edit. After you have selected quick edit, you have a few customizing options. You can either choose to change the background, or you can tap on layout, and from there you could add a section. Another thing that you could also do, if it is a case that you would like to add an element, for example text or anything at all, you can go over to the top left hand corner and tap on add elements. This is where you'll be able to access all of the elements that you can add onto this page. To continue editing, you can tap on pages and menu once more, and then you can also select thank you page. And this is your thank you page, which customers will be redirected to once they have completed their purchase. So you can see how it looks right here. And again, if you would like to edit it, you can select the page, then tap on quick edit, and from there you'll be able to change the background and so on. Now, once you have set up your sales page, as you can see right here, so for example, if we were to go back to our home page, you can see it right here. And keep in mind that this is just a quick tutorial. I did not go in depth as what I would normally recommend you do. For example sake, let's say you're selling an ebook. All you need to do, you would go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add elements. From there, you could hover over image, and then you could select your image, so you can see it right here, the image that we had uploaded. And you could drag and place the image to one side. So let me remove the text right here. So I'll select the text, tap on delete, and let me delete this also, and I'm going to be moving the button. And from here you could drag and place that right there, your picture, and then you could add the button. You can customize your landing page to whatever you like by going over to the left hand menu option and adding different form of elements. So this is just a quick tutorial. Once you're finished, you're going to go back, so you're going to tap on site in the top left hand corner. After selecting site, I want you to tap on my dashboard. Once you have selected my dashboard and you're on the dashboard once more, you will need to set up payment. A payment option that you can use for completely free by tapping on getting paid in the top left hand corner is PayPal. So you're going to tap on connect payment method, and from there you can tap on connect PayPal right here, and you'll be able to use PayPal for free. So you could select connect PayPal and enter your email address. If it is a case that you'd like to offer other payment options, you can do that. But keep in mind, to offer other payment options, you will need to go onto the Wix paid plan. Also, if you would like a custom URL, you'll need to go onto the Wix paid plan also. But they do offer other payment options, for example, TillaPay, and you can also select see more payment options. And from there, you'll see even more payment options that you can connect. And it varies depending on the country you're located in. Now, if we were to tap on setup once more in the top left hand corner and select design site and go back to our original website, all you'll need to do is tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your website to go live. So we'll tap on publish right here. Then you're going to be provided with a free domain name, and you can tap on view site to view your website. And this is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button